Hello little artist! Today we're drawing my melody. Let's start with her eyes. Draw a small oval and another oval. Now let's draw a tiny circle inside. And one more circle. Now let's draw a tiny oval for her nose. And now her cute little mouth. She's already looking adorable. Now draw a big oval for her face. Follow my lines. There we go. My melody is so cute. Now let's draw her head and ears. Look carefully. Her right ear is folded over. Can you see it? Start with a circle, then add the bow around it. Follow my lines. Now let's draw the other ear. And there we go. Now let's finish her head. Amazing! Now follow my lines to draw my melody's outfit. Let's draw her hand, a small circle and a bigger circle. Now her arm and her body. Great job! Now let's draw her other arm. Follow my lines. Now let's draw her legs. Look how easy that is. My melody looks wonderful. And there we go. Now it's coloring time. You can color my melody just like the cartoon. Or use your favorite colors. There is no wrong way to color. Your imagination makes every drawing special. Thanks for drawing with me. See you in our next drawing adventure. Bye bye.